Hey, what's up, folks? Silent XCF Competent Gamers, and folks, if you enjoyed the case transplant, I'm so happy that you enjoyed it, but also want to be a man of my word. We did mention that it's a possibility that we're building another PC. Well, I'm going to keep my word. This is our new PC build. Let's go. Okay, folks, so like I said, this is going to be the next PC that I build. I am no expert. I've only built one PC my entire life, which is the workhorse, which is the PC that we use to game and edit videos and everything like that. And then I did a case transplant. I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. If you did, thank you very much for coming back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we have this. And the reason this build is being done, it's really for the kids. They've taken over my PC, and I had PC parts laying around, and so all I did was go to PC part picker and kind of I didn't want to spend a lot of money because it doesn't need to be like this, 4K 100 plus frames a second PC, blah blah blah. Anyway, no, they just play Roblox and Fortnite and very light work stuff, and that's good enough for them. Nothing needs to be like crazy. And so here are the parts that I have and I'm going to be using. Now, according to PC parts picker, everything works together. So I'm pretty sure there are better parts, but yeah, here are my parts. Okay, folks, so here are the parts that I'm going to be using for this build. These parts are a mix of new parts as well as parts that I had laying around from something else, and yeah, so let's go down the line. So this right here is a Cool Master case. Don't ask me what model it is. Tell you what, I will put down in the description down below all the parts that I used. I'm pretty sure there possibility of getting better parts, but like I said, I'm not an expert and I'm just trying to save money, and it's for the kids, so I'm not really going all out to make this thing be a beast of a machine. Anyway, so it's like a Cool Master case. It had a clear front. The front panel is, or front side is, I think it's not glass, so it might be plexiglass, so I know it's going to be prone to scratches, but where this is going to be, it's going to be out of the way, so I'm not too worried about that. And I wanted a case that has some size, had some room inside, so yeah. Next up is the GPU right here, and this is the Zotac GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. This right here, I actually won it in a giveaway, guys, and I think it was like, how long ago? Maybe 2 years ago? And when I got it, I was like, yeah, I want to build another machine. And I just never got around to it. So here it is now. So here it is. It's a single fan. So right there. Yep. That's it right there. Like I said, I don't think the kids are going to need anything more than this to push Fortnite or Roblox or anything like that. It should work. Anyway, moving on. This right here is a power supply. It's a EVGA, 750 watts. It's gold plus standard, and this was actually in our very first build. And then when I upgraded the graphics cards, I had to upgrade the power supply, and so I took out this power supply, and here it is. It was just sitting around gathering dust, so I'm going to use it. It's not modular, but that's okay. The CPU, I went with AMD. Why did I go to AMD? Well, my first build that I did was Intel, so I was like, hey, why not try AMD, right? Just trying to check out everything. And so this was on sale. It was a Ryzen 5. What's the speed? Ryzen 5, this 6-core, 12-thread, and Ryzen 5 2600. When it comes to the specs and everything like that, I'm still learning. So hey, if you guys want to distill some wisdom in the comments below, go ahead, please, definitely. This right here is the motherboard. This is MSI B50 Tomahawk Max. I've heard good things about it, and again, I think I got it on sale as well. Okay, and lastly, for memory, right here, we got a 16 gig kit, Ballistix DDR4. What speed is it? 2400. And these right here, I wanted a little more RAM in the main machine since we do some video editing also. And so I upgraded the RAM, and so I took out this 16 gigabyte stick, and you know what? It's going to go in here. So there we go. Again, I'll make sure there's a list of all the parts I use down below in the description. Oh, and I did also, because this case comes with one fan. I don't even know the size of the fan. Jeez. With one fan, then there's a stock fan on our CPU, and I had laying around another fan, so I'm gonna put that in there also, just to help with the, keeping everything cool. Although I don't think I should have a heat problem. All right, so let's get the build started. It's time for that building montage. Here we go. Okay, folks, the miracle of editing, and we are done with our I call it very basic build. This is for the kids' machine, like I said earlier. This is for them to go ahead and play like Fortnite and Roblox and something. Nothing's too heavy. The parts list, left them in the description below. But for the moment of truth, does it even power on? Actually, I think I did a pretty good job with the cable management. There's some things that I would change. For one, there's the wire coming off of the get the power to the board, and yeah, there's this. I think I saw that there are cable extensions, so I might look to get that just out because it's really tight in there, and I don't like that. But anyway, that's for later. That's for the nitpicking. Let's see if it actually turns on. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh. It helps actually turn the power on in the back. All right. There we go. All right. Let's try this again. 3, 2, 1. She turns on. Alrighty. Okay. So everything is going well in there. All the fans are flowing. GPU's going. So everything is already. So I don't really have a setup right here to see if I can get to the BIOS or past post. So it's time for another cutaway and check it out. Alright, be right back, guys. Okay, folks, so great news. Great news. I actually made it to the BIOS, and so I passed post. So far, all is good. All I gotta do is go ahead and load my operating system on there and start setting up these kids' profiles and everything. I did run into one issue. So as I turned it on, the computer basically said, hey, you have the memory in the wrong slots. So I did have to take the memory out and to shift them over one. And so now we're good. So all that's left is to put everything on, put all the cases on, and yeah, that's it, guys. So again, here we go. Another quick montage of me putting the panels on and all that good stuff. All right, let's do this. Okay, folks, so that is our build. That's the PC. It works. We hit the BIOS, we passed post, and all that's left now is to load the operating system on there, set up a profile for the kids, and see how it does gaming. I'm pretty confident that it will actually game somewhat. Alright, guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this build. Let us know in the comments down below if you have any questions. I'm not a PC building expert, but if I can do it, that just shows that pretty much anybody can do it. Don't be intimidated. It will be intimidating the first time around, but it gets a lot easier after that. I can assure that to you. If you have any questions, like I said, put them in the comments below. And yeah, this is pretty exciting. I love it. I love doing this stuff. So, alright, guys, if you like this video, please definitely, support is so appreciated. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the bell for notifications, and we share it out, and just, yeah, that's pretty much it. You can follow us on our different social media. We're pretty much everywhere. Confident Gamers. You can just check us out. So till next time, guys, till next time, I'm Salinex. We're Confident Gamers. This was a simple build, And just remember, real gamers keep gaming. Alright guys, peace.